My name's Andrea Torres Fernandez.
Today we are asked to solve the following absolute value inequality. So, to solve the absolute value inequality, first we would have to separate the question into two separate equations. First, we do the first equation without the absolute value signs, and the second equation would be the same thing, but we have to flip the sign and make the outcome negative. So 2x plus 5 is less than negative 11. Now we have different equations. To solve the equations, we would have to subtract 5 on both sides because the 5 is not attached to a variable. The 5's would cancel on both sides, and 11 minus 5 would be 6. We'd bring down everything else in the equation, and negative 11 minus 5 would be negative 16. We'd bring down everything else in the equation. Now we'd solve for x by dividing by 2. Dividing by 2, cancel out the 2's. We'd be left with x is greater than 3. That would be our answer on this side. And then on this side, we'd have x is less than negative 8. Now we'd have to write this in interval notation. To help us write this in interval notation, we would want to create a number line. First, we want to put this section on the number line. X is greater than 3. So we do open circle and shade everything that's greater than 3. For the second section, we do x is less than negative 8. So we do open circle and shade everything that's less than negative 8. Now we'd write this in interval notation, and this is how you would write it. Unison because they're both on the number line. And that would be our final answer. Now you know how to solve an absolute value inequality. Thank you.